Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Notion user looking to level up your productivity in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a clock to your Notion workspace. It's a simple way to keep track of time, deadlines, or even different time zones without leaving the app. Whether you're managing a team or just organizing your day, this feature can make a big difference. Let's dive in. First, make sure you have a Notion account and are logged in. Open your workspace and head to the page where you want to add the clock. Notion doesn't have a built-in clock widget, but we can easily embed one from the web. Step 1. Click the plus icon at the bottom of your page to add a new block. This opens up a menu of options. Step 2. In the menu, type to access the command palette, then search for embed and select it. This allows you to bring in external content seamlessly. Step 3. You'll see a prompt to enter a URL. Go to a reliable clock website, like World Time Buddy or Time and Date, and find an embeddable clock. Copy the embed code or URL provided. Step 4. Paste that URL into the embed field in Notion. You can adjust the size or settings if needed to make it fit your page perfectly. Step 5. Hit enter, and voila, your clock should appear right on your Notion page. It's that straightforward. A quick tip. If the clock isn't displaying correctly, double-check the URL or ensure your Notion page is set to full width for better visibility. This works great for real-time updates, like showing multiple time zones for international teams. There you have it. Adding a clock to Notion in 2025 is easier than you might think. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.